This might be the easiest potato breakfast you will ever make. Let's cook. First, peel the potatoes. Cut them into sizable pieces. Rinse them. Transfer to a pot of water. Add a pinch of salt and cook them until they are fork tender. While the potatoes are cooking, prepare the herbs you will use. I am using fresh parsley. I'm going to go ahead and chop the parsley and keep aside. After boiling the potatoes, I drained the water. I'm going to use a potato masher to mash them until they become soft and smooth. Now I added 2 whole eggs. Mix to combine very well. Now it's time to go in with the spices. I'm using cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, dried oregano, chili powder, and ground black pepper. I will list the full recipe in the description, so go ahead and pay attention to get the details of preparing this delicious breakfast. Now we add some cornstarch and breadcrumbs and then mix our mashed potatoes to form a dough. I am now using my spatula to do the mixing instead of the potato masher. It's easier. Now it's time to add some olive oil and the fresh herb we are using, which is chopped parsley. Mix to combine very well and then add some cheese. We are using mozzarella. Use cheese of choice and the quantity you prefer. After mixing in the cheese, our dough is ready for shaping. Use your hands and shape the dough into disc shape. Then transfer them to a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Brush the tops with olive oil and then go ahead and bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, our breakfast is ready. Easy, right? It is quick. It is super easy. It is baked. And it is amazingly delicious. Will you try it? Let me know in the comments. Go ahead and enjoy this breakfast with your dip of choice. As a bonus for cooking with me today, I will write the recipe for my delicious dip in the description. Thanks for watching and see you soon. God bless you all.